السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعزائي طلاب الصف الثالث. Hello dear students of grade 1. How are you today? I hope you are all well and healthy. Today our lesson is an orientation. It is a revision of what we have already done in the first semester. So we will do a revision of that cover modules 1 to 4. So the target of our lesson is to revise and consolidate the structures covered in modules 1 and 4. Let's start with module 1 and do the grammar that has to do with can and yes no questions. So let's do this exercise and remember how to use the word can and how to answer a yes no question. Let's start with the sentence number 1. Look at the picture of Kareem here. Okay, can you draw Kareem? So, what do you think? Kareem would answer, alright, so of course, from the picture, Kareem can draw. So he answers the question and says, yes, I can. Yes, I can. Alright, so this is how you answer the question when it is yes. And we use the word can in the answer also. Why? Because we have it in the question. We have the word can in the question. So we say or we use it again. Now sentence number 2. Is Salim scared? Look at the picture of Salim. Is Salim scared? Of course no. So the answer here is no. This is how we answer a question using no. No, then we put a comma, then we use the abbreviation of not. No, he isn't. Sentence number 3. Look at the picture. Are they clean? Definitely not. So, no, they aren't. So, one more time, we use no when the answer is no. Then we put comma here, and then we use the abbreviation of not. And as you can notice here, we use are. Why? Because in the question there's also are. And they are asking about something plural. So are goes with plural. Sentence number 4. Look at the picture of the cat. Can it run? Can it run? Of course the cat can run. So yes, it can. Yes, it can. Now sentence number 5. Are they tired? Are they tired? Look at them. Are they tired? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. So the answer here is yes. And we use are in the affirmative form without not because it is yes. And we use are from the question because it is asking about something plural. Thank you very much. Module 2. In Module 2, we talked about have got and has got. Have got and has got. So, have got goes after I, you, they, and we. Has got goes after he, she, it. For example, about have got, we can say, I have got a cousin. They have got a car. And an example about has got, we can say, He has got a cousin. She has got a car. So let's do this exercise about have got and has got. Alright, so you have to choose the correct answer and circle it. For example, the first sentence is done for you. 1. I have got or has got. Of course, have got goes after I. Now, sentence number 2. We have she. She have got or she has got. Of course, she goes with has got. Alright, so this is the correct answer. Sentence number 3. They have got or they has got. Of course, have got comes after they. And here in sentence number 4 we have he have got or he has got. And of course, as you remember, has got goes after he. Now in sentence number 5 we have here you. You have got or you has got. Of course, you takes have got. So that was an easy exercise. Thank you very much for listening. Now in module number 3, we talked about present continuous tense. And we use present continuous tense to talk about something that is happening now or at the moment of speaking. For example, here we have I am. I'm studying now. He, she, it is. He, she, it's playing now. We, you, they are. We, you, they are cleaning now. Alright, dear students, let's answer this exercise and do it. As you can see in the box, we have sentences, and down the box there are pictures. And all we have to do is to look at the picture and say or guess what they are doing and choose the correct sentence from the box. So, as you can see in sentence number 1, okay, we have two girls, okay, and they are talking about themselves and they say, we're eating, we are eating. So we choose this sentence here. Now look at this picture. What is she doing? Okay, what is she doing? Look at the picture. So, of course, she's having lunch. She's having lunch, right? So, this is the correct sentence. So, what is she doing now at the moment of speaking? Now, sentence number 3. Look at this boy. What is he doing? So, there is a TV in front of him. So, he is watching TV. Now, look at this boy. What is he doing? Now, what is he doing? Now. Okay, so he is telling us about himself by saying, I'm planting a tree. I'm planting a tree. Now, look at this girl here. What is she doing? Of course, look, she is holding a glass here and she is drinking, right? So, she's drinking lemonade. She's drinking lemonade. This sentence, she's drinking lemonade. Now the final picture here, sentence number 6, we have two girls and they are doing something here. They are what? They are watering the flowers. So this sentence here, they're watering flowers. So this is how we use the present continuous tense. We use it to talk about something that is happening now at the moment of speaking. All right, you are looking at it happening now. Thank you very much for listening. And in module number 4, we talked about must and mustn't. How do we use must and mustn't, or when? So, we use must to express something that we have to do. So it is an obligation, something you have to do. There's no other way. And mustn't, we use mustn't to express something that we are advised not to do. So we are not advised to do. So it's a prohibition. Prohibition. So you have not to do it. Okay? All right. So let's do this exercise about must or mustn't. So as you can see, we have here phrases. We have to put them in the correct space, or fill in the space. So the first one have been done for you. And to know whether to use must or mustn't, you have to look at the picture next to each sentence. So this picture here, for example, it says mustn't, okay? So this sign means mustn't. So you mustn't throw rubbish in the park. So this sign here or picture says mustn't throw rubbish. Now let's go to sentence number 2. Look at the sign here, the picture here. So also this picture says mustn't. So which phrase do you use from the box here? Look at the picture. Yes, it has to do with eat or drink. So you mustn't eat or drink in a bookshop. Now, sentence number 3. Look at this baby. Okay, he is sleeping. So, what you have to do or what you must do when someone is sleeping? So, you must be quiet. You must be quiet. The baby is sleeping. So, this is something that you must do. It's an obligation. Now, sentence number 4. Look at this sign here. So this sign says mustn't, all right? And mustn't what? Of course, We have a camera here, and the camera means take photos. So you mustn't take photos in the museum. Mustn't. All right, so thank you very much. This is how you use must and mustn't. We use it for obligation or prohibition. Thank you very much. And by this, dear students, we come to the end of our lesson. Thank you very much for listening and watching. Okay, and finally we say goodbye. Bye. برعاية الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.